Hi guys. So today we're in our backyard, and so today we're going to teach you how to transfer plants from one pot to another. First of all, you need 3 pots. Just stop for mommy. Okay, you need 1 pot with the plant you want to transfer, another pot, a new pot, don't want the dirt in there, and another pot that is used. So just first of all, the pot has to have dead plants. Well, if there's no plants in it, then that's even better. If there's dead plants, just pull them out, and if they're live plants, then the pot won't work. Then take all the dirt in the pot and put it into the new pot or a random spare pot you have. Go, hurry up. It's pretty easy though. My mom has already planned it. Not do. So, in the meantime, let's explore. Dun, 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 dun. Let's explore. I don't know what that was. Oh, what the heck? Well, why is the ladder still there? You guys don't know. None of you guys know about this, but that was there ever since May. Like how long? That was like there since May or even March. Why is it still there? Why haven't they taken it down yet? It was at like the pipe. The white pipes. Their pipes were leaking with water, and they tried to fix it. And then they eventually fixed it. Really complex. Took about 3 days. But the thing is, why is the ladder they use still there? Like, I mean, at first, like my dad told our neighbors had that problem, not us. And yes, we live in a duplex, as you can see. But yeah, it's still there. I actually never realized that was still there. Well, I checked there like about 3 times before. It was still there, but that was like probably in July. Yeah, it was probably there since March, because I remember I checked once in May, and I couldn't remember. That was 3 months after that incident. Well, maybe 2 months. Oh no. I'm pretty sure that incident was in March. Okay, now you turn it sideways. Turn your pot sideways, the one with the plant you want to transfer, and dump out any excess trash. And then now get a shovel and scoop everything out. This is probably like the hardest step. Isn't that right, my mom?
可能是的。
Okay. And you need gloves, and then just try to try to get it out. And get any excess trash, dirt out.
Soil, trash.
Dirt, soil, whatever, and these are just a bunch of things that I don't know what they are. Rocks, leaves, shovels. Okay, there's only 1 shovel. My mom's still trying. Okay. Just do whatever you can. Shovel it around. Shovel, shove. Yeah. Just like make a circle around the plant, and then you can like take it out, and then you could then the next step will be and these are like things to block out like some mice. That's what my dad told me. They're to block out mice. I mean, mice can squeeze under those spaces, but not that. Even though that's not even space. And then when you get out, just put it right in the pot. We're gonna move on. So that looks like this. So get the used pot, get some more dirt, and yeah, just do what you would do. So just like mush up all the dirt that's like clumped together. I mean soil, and then just put it in until it reaches this level and there's no like space around the plant. pretty sure it's too dark for you guys to see the hole. Yeah, here's the hole. You can see it now. Yeah, 8 minutes, 5 minutes. I mean, not 8 minutes. I read the seconds there. Guys, if you want to see what I mean, rewind that. I said 8 minutes at the time when it was 5 minutes 8 seconds. Okay, make some progress here. And also, yes, it is still summer break. Summer break is ending soon. Dun dun dun. That's really sad for us kids. And very good for adults. Actually, I don't know. I think it's really bad for adults too. My dad has to work more. Well, does not take his day off right today. Yeah, one more week and then we're back to school. Dun dun dun. Hi, Woodbug. Ding! Where'd it go? It's gone. Play Illuminati music. Wish my friend was here so he could use his iPod and play that Illuminati meme. Are you done yet? I'm pretty sure you're good. Don't go up to just like the level where the thing. Just go up to the level of the stem. Like that. It's 6 minutes. 2 more minutes until 8 minutes. And then yeah, yeah. What the heck? That's a high millipede. Millipede, come back. Under the grass. Can't see him. Oh, if you can, please, just do. Please, get out of there. Oh, you guys, look, you can see him crawling around there. Hi, millipede. Or maybe that's a centipede. I don't know. I'm pretty sure that's a centipede, actually. Oh, that digs right under there. I guess we're never gonna see him again. Bye. I'm saying bye to the centipede / millipede, whatever it is. Oh yeah, it always does this thing. It always starts leaking for no reason. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, wait. So this is gonna be. Pretend this is Deer Lake. If you live around Burnaby, if you live in Burnaby, like this Deer Lake, and then there's Deer Lake Brook, and there's this other lake called Burnaby Lake. Even though Burnaby Lake is not even connected with Deer Lake Brook, I'm just saying. And here it merges off here. This goes to this just continues in the brook, and this just continues into the I don't know, the Burnaby City pipes, the water. You could clean the water. That this goes under here, and then everybody there just like, and then at the station they just like clean the water, if I'm not mistaken. That's what they do. And then just clean the water, and for it turns to drinking water, showering water, yeah, sink water, whatever. And then this thing merges. Deer Lake Brook just merges here, even though Deer Lake Brook, I'm pretty sure, leads into the ocean. And then after they're good, actually, you just go into drinking water, and then you just dump the water into some sort of other sink, and then it goes into ocean, and then that's how the Deer Lake Brook Deer Lake water gets into the ocean. Yay! And there's some sort of other excess stuff. Oh, it's only 9 minutes. You done yet? Okay. So once you're done with your stuff, and then you can just adjust the place a little, and yeah. Yeah, that's it. BYE, guys. See you in the next video. Blob.